Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps settings from miles to kilometers. It's very, very easy and simple. If this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. And basically, I'm on my iPhone right here. I'm on Google Maps. In the top right, there's the profile picture. Click into there, and then near the bottom you see a gear icon and settings. Click in there, and then down in the middle you will go to the using maps features, and then a few sections down it says distance units. You can click in there, and then it's currently on automatic, so it'll automatically choose maybe based on your location or which country you're in. But if you really only like using kilometers, or if you want to switch from miles to kilometers, what you can do is just select kilometers right there, and then Google Maps, when you're traveling to your destination while using Google Maps, it will display everything in kilometers. So anyway guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.